Good morning, how y'all doing? Another video from the Kingdom Mechanic Jason. Over here we're going to look at something new, just the diagnosis, and he's going to give you what needs to be done with this brand new beautiful car. Well, not brand new, but it's in good shape and it's beautiful. So Jason, tell him what's going on here.
Yeah, this is Suzuki 2008. The owner brought it in because they had some issue that the car won't start. This is a very common problem with this type of vehicle when with the engine, especially with the engine. In reality, I do not know what's going on. I'm just going to find out and give you a head start to see what we're going to be doing with this car. Okay?
Right. So this is part one.
This is part one of this video. So we're going to go ahead and set up our machine, the scanner, and see what the trouble code says. Okay? Let's see what the trouble codes read. Okay. Okay, now we have a P0604. I'm gonna get into that later. Okay, we're gonna check that trouble code that is showing us there right now. Okay, so y'all can see that code right there, but I'm gonna reveal that code in the next video. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the old-fashioned style and check. We're gonna crack this car and find out what the car is doing. Okay, so y'all can listen to what the noise of the car. And that sounds to me like we don't have compression in this car. Okay? So this is going to be a very kind of difficult job. So okay, this we're going to go ahead in here. This thing's broken here, but let's find out what we can do. Here. Okay, good. Okay. According to what I can read in the car and the sounds, this is a V6 3.6 engine in Suzuki. It's very common. This is a timing chain. Okay, so this car, it has a lot of issue in jumping the timing and getting problem with the tensioner that holds the timing. So what I can read from now is that the car has no compression. Okay, so in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to take this apart and we're going to check for compression, okay, to determine what can we do with the engine. If the engine is going to be good, or we're going to have to rebuild the engine, or we're going to have to get another engine replacement. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The next video will be for compression and finding out if the engine is good, and then if it's not good, we're probably going to rebuild this engine, or we're probably going to swipe that engine.
Now, is it going to be expensive to rebuild this engine?
Well, this engine right now, this engine is very difficult. It's really hard to get it. You know, you go everywhere, and then if you go and check online, this engine will cost over $2,000 for this engine. So this is going to be, you know, pretty expensive job. You know, so the owner is going to be spending about $3,000 just to do this job.
Wow. So it's the compression.
Yeah. The way the car sounds, and for my experience, it sounds like the car has no compression at all. So that could be that we have a problem with the tensioner of the change is not giving compressions completely, or we can have valve problems.
Wow. How can a person prevent this? Can they prevent this?
Well, sometimes people run the car with not enough oil. They don't give enough maintenance into the car, and that can cause that type of problem, especially in this type of engine. Wow. This type of engine is very, very delicate. And if you have a car like this, I advise you to every 6 months take it to check, you know, to your local mechanic, you know, to find out if everything is okay and things like that. It's very important because this engine it's a good engine, but it's very delicate. And when this engine goes bad, you're gonna have a lot of trouble just to get the engine itself. You can get the engine right away, but you know, you're gonna have to spend a lot of money
just to get it replaced,
yes,
right?
And that's, you know, that's what we're not looking for that. We're looking to, you know, to get the people the best service and, you know, so they can spend the less money.
And this doesn't look like an old model. It looks like a new model.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, it is. It's a really nice car, you know, and the owner really wants to fix it. You know, they really need it. And I'm gonna put all my effort to see what we can do. And we might, if we're gonna do the piston job and the head gasket removal and all that stuff, we definitely gonna place that video for you guys to know how to handle those type of issues. If we don't get the engine, if we get the engine, then we're gonna show you how to replace this engine.
Awesome. What's the name of this car again, so they know?
This is a Suzuki XL7. Yes, it's an XL7
V6, right?
It's a V6, and the engine is 3.6. It's a very, very complicated engine. And this is what we have for today, folks. See you soon for the next video.
All right, thank you. See y'all on part 2.
All righty.